Hi everyone, I'm Kavya. I was working as a research officer in A-Star, Singapore, and I have over 7 years of research experience, and today I'm happy to be part of RVS College of Arts and Science for the in-house hands-on training program in Blotting Techniques. They are specially conducting this program for MSc Biotechnology first year and second year students. I'm handling Western blotting and Southern blotting. So I am sure the student will be benefited with this technique if they are going abroad for studies or they want to develop in their career. This technique is very useful. Not only the technique, they're going to learn a lot of things apart from the technique itself. The major part of the lab will be handled in this session. I'm so thankful for the opportunity to handle this for the students of RVS College from Biotechnology. Thank you very much. I wish them all the best.